Following is a short tutorial of how to download from YouTube. To download a video from YouTube, search on Google Download from YouTube. Choose one of the options you got in Google search. You should put the URL of the video in YouTube that you want to download. URL of the video put in here. Choose type MP3 for audio or MP4 for a video download. Press on Convert MP4. The video is recognized. You have to press on the download button. The video starts playing. This is the video for the URL inserted in this example. Video was downloaded. Thanks for watching.